Okay, so let's get started. Brother, would you mind telling me your name?
My name is Huzaifa Said Abdullah.
Okay, Huzaifa, where do you stay? Where do you live?
I live in Mumra in
Uh,
Sharifa Road.
at Sharifa Road, right?
Yes.
Could you tell me about your father?
My father's name is Said
My
Abdullah.
father's name is.
My father's name is Said Abdullah,
Okay.
and my father businessman.
My father is a
Is a businessman.
Right.
Yes.
When did you wake up today?
I wake up.
When did you wake up?
I-
It means past tense, yes.
I woke up 9 o'clock.
At 9 o'clock.
At 9 o'clock
Very good.
in the morning.
Right. Could you tell me your daily routine?
Yes. Did. I woke up. I wake up 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock
At 9 o'clock.
in the morning and take a bath
Took bath.
and took bath.
Sorry, daily routine. Yeah, take bath.
Yes.
You're right. Sorry.
Yes. I take a bath
Right.
and brush my teeth. And
After that, you can
after
say-
that I come Zohar namaz, perform
yeah.
Zohar namaz,
Very good.
and I come home and play PUBG with my friends.
All right. Okay, you have the special time for playing PUBG, right? Between 2 to 4 o'clock, we should play PUBG. Yeah, very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Keep it up. Just kidding, okay? Sorry. So when do you play PUBG?
I play PUBG at 3 o'clock,
Okay. So how many hours in a day you play PUBG? 2 hours?
2 hours.
Okay. Continue. Sorry, brother. After playing PUBG, like what do you do?
I playing
Important thing only. Yeah.
I playing PUBG 3 hours, 2 hours.
Okay. After playing PUBG, what do you do? After PUBG, like in the evening, do you go outside or do you spend time with friends?
No.
No?
I spend time with my family.
My family.
Yes.
So when do you take your dinner?
I take dinner in. Sorry. Yes.
I take dinner at.
I take dinner at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Yes.
Does your father? Okay, let me ask you another question. Tell me something about your father's routine.
10.
Yes.
Yes.
Just try like morning or maybe afternoon. Just try. I will stop you. Yes.
My father wakes up 7 o'clock and take a bath. Takes bath and his brush teeth.
He brushes his teeth.
He brushes teeth and
Remember when we talk about our father, mother, sister daily routine, at that time we need to add just s at the end of the action verb. The first action, like my father wakes up, goes to, takes,
Yes,
comes.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
continue, brother. Sorry.
Yes. My father wakes up 7 o'clock in the morning
Yes.
and takes bath
Yes.
and brush his teeth.
Okay.
And my father goes to shop,
Okay.
iPhone shop.
Yes. iPhone shop. Okay.
Yes.
Brother, I want discount, brother. Okay. Brother, where is your shop?
My father's shop is Mumbai.
In Mumbai.
Mumbai,
Okay.
yeah.
Please let me know your address. I'm coming soon.
No, I don't know address.
So let me try to find out. Inshallah, I'm coming and I want discount. Okay, sorry,
Yes,
continue.
yes.
Sir, yes.
And my father comes home 7 o'clock in and
Very good. Then talk about important thing. When does your father come? My father
comes
comes
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. After that, my father
After they take lunch,
takes dinner.
and
Then
then
he
with spend time with
family
and
goes to sleep. Very good.
Yes.
Some question, then we are done.
Yes.
Does your father go to sleep at 11 o'clock?
Yes, my father
Goes to sleep?
Goes to sleep 11 around 11 o'clock.
Around 11 o'clock. Good.
Yes.
Tell one more thing. Does your mother go to market?
Yes, my mother goes to market.
When does your mother go to market? Morning at night?
My mother goes to
Goes-
market.
My mother क्या बोली?
Mother, yeah. No mother.
My mother goes to market.
Goes to market 2 o'clock
Okay.
evening. Yes.
In the afternoon.
Afternoon, sorry, evening.
With whom does your mother go to market?
My mother goes to market alone.
Good. How often does she go to market in a week? 5 times every day.
My
Mother.
mother's.
I don't know why you're saying your father.
Yes, yeah,
I think you
mother's.
love your father more, right?
Yes.
Okay.
My mother goes to market one week
Every
in
day?
a 1 week.
One day in a week?
One day in a week.
Okay, right.
Yes.
Last question, we are done.
Yes.
Tell me about your favorite celebrity or sportsman or wrestler or actor, actress. Tell me one person.
My favorite celebrity to Zayn Malik.
Okay, right,
Yes.
right. Okay, brother. Thank you for coming and
Yes.
take care.